Hi everyone, my name is Justice from Just Auto Channel, and here at Just Auto Channel we review cars, we talk about cars, and we bring you the latest information that's happening in the automotive industry. So if you have found this video, please, I want you to click on the YouTube link above and go subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can see them. And here at Just Auto Channel, we love to show you the new cars and even classic cars that you find in all the amazing places around the world. So please, if you found this video, want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please leave it on the video you found and we'll get back to you, because here at Just Auto Channel we believe in community, we believe in working with everybody. And one great thing that's coming to Just Auto Channel is that as we continue to grow, we are going to be including a lot of giveaways. We want to be able to say thank you to all our amazing viewers and supporters. So if you want to be part of this great giveaways that will be coming to Just Auto Channel, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification icon so that when we post future videos you will be able to see them. And when we say great giveaways, they are going to be really great giveaways, and because we want to be able to give back to our community, want to be able to give back to the people who have supported us all the way. So please click on the link, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you leave a comment on one of our videos, then come back to Facebook and comment that you have visited our YouTube channel and subscribe, and we'll keep track of everybody.